Custom Image Generator Gem.
Welcome back. Today we're diving back into sharing and creating gems together, and I've created a differentiated power writing prompt gem that generates 2 different images for you based on your needs as a teacher and based on who you're teaching. Now, this sounds very, very cool, but there's a few crucial considerations we need to think of when we're using a gem. First off, gems are not just plug and play. Unfortunately, they take a lot of work. You have to really go back and forth to really build something that's meaningful and useful, which is why the sharing feature is so awesome.
Sharing is caring.
So I can create this gem, share it in the link down below, and you can just use this. You can also make a copy of it, edit it yourself, and really play with the prompting so that you start to understand how you could build a good prompt. You can also use Gemini to help you build these prompts. Say, this is what's working, this isn't, and it'll really, really help you along the process. Now, I'm just going to say, let's go, and we'll get started. Perfect. It's a coach, and it needs to know some things about me. Okay. And here we have it. It's generated 1, 2 images, both about silly scarecrows that could really inspire some story writing for our grade 3 students. As I go down, each story also comes with 3 different story starter questions that are designed to enhance narrative writing. How did the 2 children peering over the fence get involved in the scarecrow's nighttime escapade? Interesting. So both prompts come with their own story starter questions. Remember, keep the human in the loop.
Keep the human in the loop.
And read these over before you share them with your students. Now, the other cool piece about this is when you finish, the gem asks you if you wanted to see the curriculum connections and the AI prompts that helped create these images. And within seconds, we have it. The curriculum connections for the first prompt, specifically 1.4, and for the second prompt. As well, if you wanted to teach your students about prompting or go behind the curtain and see how these images are being generated, we can see the prompt image right here. What did it actually have to say to get the picture that it wanted?
Ask for your grade to get age-appropriate differentiated images.
But anytime you have something to teach, you just type in your grade, your content, and which of the writing features you're focused on, press enter, and within seconds, you'll have 2 images as well as 3 questions for each that you can use to help teach your students. Hope that helps. Grab the link down below. See you soon.